Okay, I'm out at Autobarn Elizabeth, one of our great incline support channel supporters for Sergeant Nurse. So what we're doing today is we're getting some flood lamps put on and a switch panel and some rock lights. Rock lights will go up 2 on each side on the backbone, and ditch lights will go around here on each side. We'll have some ditch lights there, rock lights and floods on the back here. So it should look pretty specky. Thanks to Autobarn Elizabeth coming out and got the gear and Road Vision. I'm sticking with Road Vision for the panel, everything. The lights are pretty good. I'm really happy with the 9-inch dominators on the front. So yeah, this would be great. Good for camping. The RGB, the rock lights, which I'm putting up on the platform, actually change colour. So you can have amber, red, yellow. You can have disco lights going. Nurse model like that. So yeah, so that should be good. All right, cheers. But yeah, Autobarn's fitting them out, paid full price. They're fitting them for me, which they don't usually do big jobs like this, but they're doing me a favour, and that's all about the in-kind support. Let's see how the work's going and progressing on the BT50 Project Invictus continuing modifications. And there we have the finished product. How good's that? All good.
Got the feeling in your bones, make you feel right at home. Honey,
We have the lobby light.
doesn't well, keep me dancing till I'm dead. 'Cause I could run a mile like this, head over heels since I missed.
These lights are pretty fucking good.
I ain't never looking back. I ain't looking back. Ain't looking back. Ain't looking back. Ain't looking back.
I don't think I got enough lights. You get a better view? Ooh, I'm testing a new camera out. So, Mazda, it's not rocket science, is it? Really? Everyone's complaining about these cup holders. So, you get a small cup like this. It's pretty, it's useless, really. Everyone, little, what's it called? Macchiatos. You little trendy little macchiatos can't fit in there. Me, I'm pretty trendy. I like my macchiatos. Macchiatos. Anyway, Bradley from the Mazda BT50 2021 Facebook group. Hey, selling these for about 20-30 bucks, I think, from memory. It's not rocket science, is it, Mazda? Nah. 20-30 bucks. You think that they'd have a solution. Slots in there, just like that. Right? Look at the difference. How good's that? My macchiato won't spill all over me or spill all over the car. I'm pretty happy. Anyway, I'll put a link in there for that. Bradley probably appreciates a bit more business, but Mazda, fail. So I'm just going to go through these lights. I've got a veteran surf lesson going on, which I'm doing some footage for that too. But adjust your RGB, like all different colours. You got your greens, and I'll put a bit of a picture up. We did test it that night down camping last weekend. Greens, reds, oranges, yellows, white, blue. You have disco lights, party lights, whatever you want. Now there's supposed to be a bit of a, you know, I don't know. I don't go under your bloody wheel arches. What's the point of that? Anyway, I thought, hey, why not use them because we were stuck last couple of weekends ago and I forgot all the lights, all the portable lights. So why not mount them? They come with mounting brackets. There's 4 of them in a pack, and I'll put the link up in the picture description there and the price. But Road Vision seem to be the more durable I've researched and accessible off the shelf, and they're drilled in and hardwired to the road power switch. So the RGB LED rock light kit is what I got, and it's a multi-volt 10 to 30 volts. They don't draw that much. It's got aluminum housing, it's polycarbon lens, it's IP67 rating, apparently it's pretty good. LED link connection, well, you get a 7-year warranty, which is pretty bloody good, I thought. It's got adjustable speeds, comes with a remote control. I'll get that out in a minute. You got brightness settings, 10 adjustable speeds, 5 brightness controls, and an auto save function. Jeez, that's not bad. The ditch lights are the RWL 3436 series. Now, they've got a multi-volt 10 to 30 polycarbonate lens again, same. Color temperature 6000K, IP67 rating. They've got a over voltage protection. They've got a connector loom, wiring loom. They've got reverse polarity, 3 watt, 6 watt, oh, whatever that means, I don't know. Radio interference approved, which means obviously it's not approval to interfere with your radio. I'm pretty sure it doesn't. And it's a 5-year warranty. And I'll tell you, they pump out a bit of light. Available in 4 or 6 LED configurations. Perfect light beam. Oh, here we go, 2,400 lume of instant light output. It just floods it. It's not a spotlight, it floods. So anyway, they're the lights. Tested them out. One night so far. I'd like to test them out bush, in the outback, up in Flinders. It'd be great to do some tracks out there. Yeah, pretty good. And what do you think of the decals? They're pretty cool, aren't they? I like them. Didn't want to go crazy on it. There's a lot of utes out there, got crazy decals all over the windows. I just wanted it nice, neat and clean. We might put the Sarge and Nurse logo in the centre there. That will come soon. But anyway, thanks for watching. Remember to like, subscribe and hit notifications. Any questions, put them in the comments. I'll answer straight away usually. Usually I do. Apparently Nurse reckons I'm glued to my device. Anyway. Well, you got to be these days, I think. Just can't be over addicted. And look at the surfers go, they're doing some exercise. We call that PT in our day. They're all veterans and families. Look at them. Oh, good's that. I'll just go cook the barbie now for them. Take care. See you later. Get on it.